Hi everyone, it's Kerri and Matt from Club Med. Today we just wanted to jump on to go through on our online reservation systems on our Club Med travel agents to show you the advanced search functionality, which is a really great tool. So if you haven't used it, I'm sure you will after this training session. So how to begin is you select online reservations, and then followed by the advanced search. Okay, this is just a great tool because it allows you to compare resorts as well as filter by different things. So as you can see here, you can either filter by destination, so depending on where the clients want to go, filter by activities as well. So if the clients want loads of swimming pools, or if they want to play golf, you can filter it over there. The holiday type, as well as the comfort level. So if you want a 3T, 4T, 5T exclusive collection and so forth. But today I thought I would show you my favorite part of Club Med travel agents, and that is the compare the resorts. Okay, so I've had loads of requests recently for February half term, so I thought I would just compare that whilst I'm here. Okay, so let's put that in. So first you select your dates, and then you go ahead and confirm. Then you've got 2 adults, and I'll put 2 children on the booking as well. And let's just do, I'll do a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. Okay, 2. Perfect. Okay, and I will include the transport as well. From London. And very important, you have to select compare before you select your resorts, okay? So I'm going to choose a teen, because obviously teen is very exciting for us because our brand new teen is opening up this season. I'll also select Alpe d'Huez and Le Rosier, all great family resorts. And then you go back and then you press the compare key again, and then it'll start loading the full price. What's great is you can amend it. So say, for example, the clients want to go to teen, but they're not sure should they do Christmas, half term, or April school holidays. You can just change it so that all of the options say the specific resort that they've wanted, and then each date. So then if they're looking for the cheapest option, they can see, okay, what is Christmas, what is Feb half term, and what is Easter holidays. That's quite handy. Okay, oh, well, if you have a look, Feb half term, the price is looking really good for a family of 4. We've got 10K for teen, 9, also just about 10K for Alpe d'Huez, and the same. So pretty much the same, which is all great for brand new resorts, basically, which is awesome. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll be able to have a look at a little bit more detail. So you'll see the room quoted, the room priced, with some more information. And then if you go a little bit further, you'll see that you have an option of saying see all types, okay, of rooms. So then that way, if you wanted to change the room, you can do so over here. Then your flights will appear. And then of course, we've got our charter flights that have been automatically done. But if you wanted to again change that, you can. So you can also just say see more options. Okay, and then your childcare will be stated. So you'll see the Petite Club. Of course, that is always an additional cost because the clients might, not want that for their children. But obviously, always recommend adding that on because it books up really quickly. So then you would just automatically add. And then at the bottom, you'll see the mini club, and then it'll give you your total price. Really nice point to point out is that we have a little download key on each proposal. This is great if you're just wanting to send through the pricing because maybe you've given it over the phone or on email. This is just a really nice way that it's presented that you can share with the clients, and be sure to tell them that it's just a proposal. It's not an option, so the price is not guaranteed, but that way they can see all of the information on their quote. And then if you have a look, it opens up, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so it gives the full details, the travel arrangements, all of those details over there. with a breakdown of costing, including the discount that's appearing, and then the total price. Okay, so really, really good. Clients are saving £1,000, so it's great for them to see. So now going back, all you have to do is select that, and then it goes back to compare the resorts page. And then the next slide we're wanting to go on is to just show you now, for example, if you wanted different flight options, because the clients have actually asked for Pacific EasyJet flights or Jet2 flights, how you would change them. So let's say they've gone with Le Rosier. So we're going to select see more options. And I'm going to hand it over to Matt, who's going to go through all of the flights with you.
Perfect. So hello everyone, Matt here from Club Med, as we were saying before. So if we quickly go onto the flights, I'm going to take control of the system and we're going to go from there. So as you'll see on this page, you've got a few different things you're looking at. It's actually quite new. You'll have first at the top the different airports that you can do. You'll have either, in this case, Geneva, Grenoble, Lyon or Chambéry. Changing that will therefore change your destination airport, and it will automatically load different airlines that you can go to. So for example, Geneva, we'll go back to, and we'll select to the next stage. If you wanted to filter by either the airline, which you've got companies at the moment, you can pick which airline you would like to use. You typically wouldn't have layovers for our French resorts or French ski resorts, but if it was obviously a long haul destination or even short haul you were looking at, layovers would give you a choice here, as well as time. So you do have different filters that you can use. On the right hand side, if you didn't want, for in this case the charter, you would actually see another selection tool where you can see 8 other outbound flights with the price already there. So you can actually see whether or not you'll have cheaper or more expensive or even similar price depending on the times. If you get down to the bottom, you can actually click here, see other transport, and it will continue this list. It will filter it by price, so you can see the biggest saving at the top, not necessarily the best time, but it will show you all the way down to potentially an upsell. So if you wanted to actually upgrade these flights to better flights, which are more expensive, you can do that. So just a quick one to show you the new airline or airport or transportation screen that has recently been upgraded. So this gives your clients and yourselves, while you're doing a quote, a ton of more options. Okay, so for now, if we were just to keep the charter flights, we'll just finish up this booking to show you how simple this is. Now that you've done everything, you can at the bottom pick one. We're going to go to Alpe d'Huez because it's my favorite resort, and you'll go into, just like the previous webinar, into the add-on and payment finalization screen. So here's where, if you remember, where you would put ski hire if you wanted it. It would give you a quick breakdown of what is included. You could change your selection tool here to see pools, entertainment, land sports, and in this case it will be more wellness facilities in resorts, as well as the snowing and ski activities. Moving over to the next page, we have your clients. So you would have either existing clients. I'll quickly show you how that works. You would either have their GM. GM stands for Great Member. So their GM number, if they've been on a Club Med holiday before, you would pop in their GM number and last name and search that way. Or if you don't have this information, first and last name, along with at least one of the following information, you'll be able to find existing clients. If you didn't have an existing client, say it was a brand new client, this is where you could just put in any client, Simon Smith, for example, and you can very simply create a brand new client. You can put in an email address. I'm just going to use my email address for now, and any additional travelers, Simon and Suzanne. And again, you would fill this information in for your customers. You have 2 children on this booking. So we'll do Helena for a girl. You've obviously put the dates in as Kerri did in the beginning. So the dates are already preloaded, and we'll do a boy. So we'll do, I've already had a Simon. Should we do Simon again? Another Simon Jr. Simon Smith. Again, the date of birth is already filled in, and that would be you creating a new client. that would get you to the very end of the CMTA booking platform, and it will take you over to the final overview and booking stage. Just to show you, you'll see the different prices. You'll notice that Helena, the daughter, she's paying a child price. It's lower than the adult price. And for the little baby, it's really just a flight cost because it's dramatically reduced for him. It will then give you the quick breakdown of the room you've selected, finalizing the discount that you have. Remember, if you wanted to show more on the price, it would show you your commission, so you know what you're getting per booking. And then here you would click either continue to confirm the booking, or you could hold the reservation. If I was to hold the reservation, it would explain how long that will be held for, and it would give you a reference number. I'll do that now to show you that when you do hold these options, agents do ask, well, how do we then confirm? Do you have to call back through to the Club Med call center? You do not need to call through to the Club Med call center. You will be able to go back to your original portal main page, and you'll see my bookings. When you go into my bookings, you'll be able to see quotes, options, and of course confirmed validated bookings. Okay, so this again has been moved from a different section of the website onto the front page to make it as simple as possible for you to manage your entire portfolio of bookings with Club Med. So again, a very, very effective, reliable, simple tool. This is the Travel Agents portal. And I would just like to thank you for your time for listening from myself and from Kerri. We wish you a lovely day and happy selling.
Thank you.
Cheers,
Happy
guys.
selling. Bye.